Happy New Year everyone. Ito lang ang ganap sa aming New Year. Tilapia di tinatanggal ng kaliskis. Palitang cinnamon bread, kalamay, at adobo lang. Siyempre dapat may rice. Lumpia fresh. Ito yung sauce niya. Sutanghon, mango, gulaman. Pork and beans guys. Isa yun sa pampaswerte na handaan. Siyempre may bread at may macaroni salad. Happy New Year everyone. Thanks for watching.